Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to record calls from unknown numbers and selected contacts on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the phone or dialer app on your mobile. Now, tap on the settings icon at the top corner. Inside settings, tap on call recording. Here, you will see different options. Change the option from all numbers to selected numbers. Next, turn on the option Record Calls from Unknown Numbers. This will automatically record calls from numbers not saved in your contacts. Now, tap on Custom List. Select the contacts you want to record calls with and save the list. That's it. Now your phone will record calls from unknown numbers and specific contacts automatically. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.